Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tundra's oil change reminder. First, locate the odometer or trip button on your dashboard. Next, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is displaying the total mileage, not a trip meter. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function correctly and efficiently, ensuring a smooth process. Now let's enter the reset mode. Begin by turning your ignition completely off. Then, press and hold the odometer or trip button firmly. While still holding this button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button for at least 5 seconds. You will notice the maintenance light begin to flash, indicating you are in the correct mode. To complete the reset, continue holding the odometer or trip button. The maintenance light will flash for several seconds and then disappear completely. Your display might show 000000 or 5 dashes, confirming the reset. Once the light is off and the display changes, you can release the button. This indicates the oil change reminder has been successfully reset. Finally, start your Tundra's engine to confirm that the oil maintenance light is no longer illuminated. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. Remember, these instructions apply broadly to many Tundra models. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific details or variations unique to your particular model year. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.